you home.
Right. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today will technically be my day 3 in self-isolation. The reason it is technically day 3 is because I was at work on Wednesday and it is Saturday. So yeah, technically it's day 3, but I just had a call from my manager saying that our stores will be closing as of end of day today, and I was supposed to have a shift tomorrow, but obviously that's not happening anymore. So I thought what a perfect opportunity to vlog and get some content while I'm at home. Today I thought I wanted to try out some TikTok trends because, like everyone else, I'm obsessed with TikTok. The first thing that I want to do is make the frothy coffee thingy. So basically you need 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot water, and then you have to whisk it really fast. And I've got this little whisk that I'm going to use. I've seen people doing it with an electric whisk, which I'm assuming would be a lot quicker, but I don't have one. So I'm using a little handheld whisk. Okay, so I've been whipping for about 20 minutes. My arm is so sore, but this is what it is now. I'm pretty sure it should be a little bit thicker, but you know what? I really can't be bothered. So I have my glass of milk. I'm going to put it on top and then we're going to taste. So the coffee is actually really good. I probably wouldn't make it again. It tastes good, but I probably would make it again just because it takes so long to make. Like, I was literally whisking it for like 20 minutes. I watched the whole Remy Ashton vlog while I was whisking this coffee. But it's really good. So I'm going to enjoy it while I can because I probably won't be making it anytime soon. So the next TikTok trend, I guess, it's not really a trend. The next TikTok thing that I want to try. There's a lot of people on my For You page at the moment are singers, because I like listening to people sing and then trying to sing what they sing. So there's a lot of things on TikTok of people singing like different harmonies to different songs. So I'm gonna give those a try. This is Jealous by Labyrinth, and basically with this one you sing it like the harmony, but then you sing it like after he sings it.
I'm jealous of the wind that ripples through your clothes. It's closer than your shadows. I'm jealous of the wind. Always thought you'd come back. Tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery.
Alright, the next one I think is my favourite one. I've actually done this before, and it's actually quite fun to sing. I love a good harmony, and this one, I don't know, just makes me feel good when I sing it right.
I've been told to get you off my mind, but I hope I never lose the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day it's getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you'd keep my head from going under.
Whew. So that one's a little bit difficult because the harmony is quite up there, and I haven't done any warm-ups and I haven't sung in a while. So I've been recording this for 23 minutes. There's the Ocean Eyes harmony that I really enjoy doing as well, and it sounds so pretty. I don't know if Billie did this herself or if it came off TikTok, but next TikTok trend that I saw that I want to give a go are the Princess Peach lips. So basically people are like putting concealer on their lips and then putting their lipstick on in like a little peach shape, like Princess Peach, and then lip gloss and everything, and apparently, I don't know, it looks kind of cute. So let's give that a go. Alright, so the lipstick is off. So now we're gonna put some concealer. I feel like that's enough. Blend this out. This used to be the look back in the day. Okay. Alright, now that we look nice and dead, lip liner. Okay, now that I look even more crazy, we're going into the lipstick from Too Faced. I feel like it doesn't look any different. I think I went too far out. Lip gloss. I don't know if this one worked or not. I think I kind of can't tell a difference, but actually, you know what? I saw some people put a little bit of red in the middle. Let me tell you, this looks ridiculous in person. I don't know, let me know. Did it work? I think my issue was that I need to go in more. Like I need to make them smaller, right? Or no? Alright, I'm gonna go take some photos and see if it looks... Oh, I forgot to take a photo of my coffee for the thumbnail. You idiot. Damn. I'm gonna go take some photos and see if they look any... Oh, did you hear that? That was my hip. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you think this worked. I feel like I kind of can't tell a difference, but I kind of can. I feel like I should have gone in a little bit more. Hi guys, so it is a new day now. It is actually, I think, 2 days later. Yesterday I ended up just having like a chill day and I kind of did nothing. So I didn't really feel like filming because I didn't really do anything productive. But I've had a super productive morning so far. I was up at 6. I stayed in bed for a little bit and then I went and did a sweat it to shred it workout. And then I made myself breakfast. I started editing this video that you're watching. And then we had a Bombshells team call. So I made myself a shake for lunch, and if you saw my Instagram story that I posted, I had a different shirt on this morning, and then when I shook this, the little cap wasn't closed, so the shake went everywhere. It went all over my shirt. Just lucky I wasn't wearing white. I was wearing grey, so it'll probably come out, but just lucky I wasn't wearing this. But now, while I drink this, I'm gonna make a recipe from Sophie Jane's ebook. I'm gonna make the Snickers slices. Guys, so it is actually the next day now. I've been a terrible vlogger this week, but basically I made the Snickers yesterday and then I had to put them in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours, so I just left them in there overnight. So now we're gonna go and chop them up and give them a taste. So I've cut them up back in my bedroom because my sister's playing music in her room, which you can hear in the kitchen, so I don't want to get copyrighted. But this is the Snickers. Oh my god. delicious. I highly recommend keeping them in the freezer because they do melt quite fast. So if they're in the freezer, they will last a little bit longer, but so good. I'll link Sophie's ebook down below. You want some attention? You want some food? She can't have any because it's chocolate. But I'll link Sophie's ebook down below so you can go and check it out. It's literally $15. So if you're bored during self-isolation, get the ebook. Make sure you have the ingredients at home. If not, duck out to Woolies because, you know, grocery shopping is okay. And then stay home and cook. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. All of my social media links will be down in the description bar, so you can go ahead and follow me on those. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.